Ay,
Wait lang. Tata is bad at tennis. He's so ugly. I'm joking. Hey, don't start it. I'm starting it.
oh.
Hot now. Because it's summer, right?
Hmm?
'Cause it's... Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
So, ayan, pupunta pala kami ngayon mga par na Inday sa park.
I
Tatay
don't
ng
know
park.
which part he's talking about.
You will see.
The park in front of McDonald's?
Yeah, in front.
I almost spit out my gum while doing a bubble.
Hmm. So, yun.
I miss Bendel.
Missed Bendel already.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to stay at Bendel.
Yeah.
I'm not like staying there, like sleeping there, not that. I want to
Yeah.
like stay like when it's a school day or the first day. Are we going to Bluffers Park Beach again?
No.
Aww.
Here. Dito sa beach. Dito lang. Oh, train. Oh.
Hmm?
Train.
Mm.
Sorry.
I know it's a train. Hi.
Hmm.
I wish we could go to.
Huh?
I wish we could go to downtown Toronto again and go to the boat again, but
Again?
not going towards Island because we already went towards Island,
Oh, yeah.
but
We've been there
remember-
twice.
yeah. I've been to like
This park.
taste of what?
See, there's a splash pad.
Oh, let's go.
Told you.
It's not technically near the back of McDonald's. Where's the field?
There.
Oh, could ride there because tennis is basically playing at the field. Why are you kicking me now? Oh. Oh, the kid is screaming crazy.
See? If you bring your ball, you can.
think this used to be a skating rink.
Aha. For ano, Inday? For hockey?
Yeah. Or practicing hockey. We actually the little nets. This is the nets that they use for hockey. I actually play tennis. Then we go to McDonald's.
Ay.
Of course. Ano ba yan?
Dito tayo mag-set up, Inday, kasi walang init dito. Here, oh. There,
Yeah.
here.
Do you have a towel?
Yeah, I have a towel.
Oh, let's go.
Alright. Aba.
Can I take my helmet off?
Hmm. So, dito na kami mga par. Wala namin doon kami mga gamit. And I have to You want to done it or no? Uy! Ah! Nice! Woo! Nice, Inday! 1-0. Whoa, ho, ho, ho! Almost. Yeah, no. Ay! 2-0. Oh!
Wait lang. Tata is bad at tennis. He's so ugly. I'm joking.
Go! Hi. Just like this. Yeah, make like this in eye, like straight, and then let's go. Oh. Just straight. And may mga batang lumapit na gusto makipaglaro. So pinaglaro ko muna. Sama si Inday. Gusto nilang i-try din. Nagpawisan din tayo mga par dahil ano, ano rin pala, maganda rin ng badminton, ano. Kaya galaw rin yung mga katawan mo. Pagpapawisan ka talaga. So yan, yun dito ang harap. Ayan, marami rin naglalaro mga par na sa soccer. May nagpa-practice. Meron mga bata rin na team din sila. Nice. Hinihintay ko rin pala yung kaibigan ko, taga dyan lang. Dito lang siya, tapat. Ewan ko kung pupunta. Yung mga bata rin yung mga parin. Try nilang pumunta raw. Makapaglaro din dito. Ligpit na namin to mga par. Dami na lamok. Hindi na yata pupunta yung kaibigan ko. Matay na lamok. Oh. Uwi na kami dahil napakaraming lamok. Ang dami ng lamok mga par. Let's go, let's go, go.
Here. Can you carry my hair?
That's okay, mamaya na. See? You've been here. You follow me here.
Oh, there's blood. Oh. Oh, brother.
Ito, hindi. Hmm? Let's go.
Wait for me. Go. Hurry up. Two times. Oh, the things.
Sure.
Oh, it's.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the coach.
Oh, all boys and they.
Yeah. Yeah, I think. Oh, there's so much balls here. I think they're missing balls. Oh, there's a piece. Like this can. This scooter can go faster than a fly.
Oh, fly. Yeah, of
Yeah.
course. So you want to try the splash pad or what?
No.
Go home?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a splash pad at home. You know what it is?
Yeah.
The shower. Why do you laugh like that?
So yun. Uwi na
You
kami,
laugh
mga
like a motorcycle, like.
Uwi na kami!
Where?
That's my friend.
I don't see any people. I didn't see any people that I see that you're looking.
They said they want to go, but they have to go home. Dito na kami sa bahay. Daming lamok pagka mga madilim na. Right? So yun, nakapag-exercise kami ni Inday, nakapag-practice kami. And ayun nga, nakakatuwa na nilang puro cellphone. Where's your nanay?
I think she's downstairs.
Okay.
See her backpack.
Alright. So yun lang, mga par, yung bonding namin ni Inday, And marami pa to dahil maganda nga ang panahon, So susulitin namin tong summer na to. So siguro everyday may mga gagawin kami. Basta hindi lang masyadong mainit, mga par. So lalabas kami para hindi lang dito lagi sa bahay. So yun lang, mga par, maraming salamat sa inyo. And sa lagi nakasuporta sa atin, mga silent viewers, maraming salamat. Shoutout kay Par Oli, yung kapitbahay ko rito, tsaka sa family niya, sa asawa niya, tsaka sa anak niya, Maraming salamat sa suporta. And yun, sana nga makaano sila dito sa bahay para makapag-banding para uli, para makapag-ano tayo. So pag may time lang. Ayun, maraming salamat. God be all the glory. We'll see you in my next one. Bye!